a formula called OsteoBioComplex, which is designated to go against all the dreaded symptoms of bone density loss and osteoporosis. It's made right here in the state of New Jersey, all natural, no synthetics in it at all, and the main purpose of it is to attack a dreaded disease that has no cure, but we're going to just get into the process of remodeling bone and replacing the worn-out bone and give some aid to these people as much as we can. But our formula has all the ingredients in the formula. We have calcium, vitamin D, boron, strontium. We have potassium, magnesium, manganese, all the way down the line. And in some cases, we will redo our formula if we feel that it's necessary, but I don't think so. I think we covered just about everything that's necessary for this product to work. And we, again, say and keep saying that we have the research to prove it. Thank you so much.